We wish you all the best, Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj Chopra's last match for the gold medal will start on August 8th at around 11:55 p.m. in India. Please switch on your TV and cheer for him. At the Stade de France, Neeraj produced a monster 89.34 meters throw on his very first attempt to breach the direct qualification standard of 84 meters. It was the second best throw of the reigning world champion's career. The 26-year-old has a personal best of 89.94 meters, which he achieved at the Stockholm Diamond League in 2022. It is also the men's javelin throw national record in India. We wish you all the best, Neeraj Chopra.